DeFi Development buys $16 million SOL at $111. But stock value per share drops 25%. Solana, Treasury. DeFi Development buys 86,307 SOL for $16 million at $110.91, increasing Treasury to 2.2 M SOL worth $426 million, yet SOL per share drops 25% to $14.67 from $19.44 as warrant dilution outpaces accumulation. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. October 17, 2025. DeFi Development Corporation purchased 86,307 SOL for approximately $16 million at an average price of $110.91. Increasing its treasury by 4.7% to 2,195,926 SOL, worth $426 million. However, the Nasdaq-listed firm's SOL per share metric dropped to $14.67 from $19.44 recorded in September, a 25% decline despite the accumulation. The company reported 28,888,178 shares outstanding, although the figure includes 2,803,058 pre-funded warrants that have already been exercised, with 2,978,578 warrants remaining. Including all warrants, the adjusted share count reaches approximately 31.9 million, creating dilution that outpaced Treasury growth. DeFi Development stated it does not anticipate SOL per share falling below the pre-financing level of 0.0675, even after full warrant impact, reinforcing continued SPS growth. The newly acquired SOL will be staked to validators, including the company's own infrastructure, to generate native yield. The Treasury decline followed broader struggles across digital asset Treasury companies. Metaplanet's shares dropped 70% from mid-June highs, with its enterprise value falling below Bitcoin reserves as MNAV hit 0.99. A quarter of all public Bitcoin holders now trade at market values below their holdings. Crypto Treasury MNAV premiums compress sector-wide. DeFi Development ranks among the 3 largest public Solana holders, though Forward Industries leads with nearly 7 million tokens, more than the next 3 largest treasuries combined. Institutional Solana holdings exceed $3 billion across 20 participants, representing about 3.52% of the circulating supply. The company's stock performance contrasts with its aggressive accumulation strategy. Shares remain up 1,898% year-to-date, but trade 61% below their May peak of $35.53, a pattern observed across digital asset treasuries facing valuation compression. K33 Research reports that the average MNAV across treasury firms dropped from 3.76 in April to 2.8. While daily Bitcoin accumulation slowed to 1,428 BTC in September, the weakest pace since May. Monthly corporate adoption has also declined by 95% since July, with just 1 company adopting Bitcoin in September, compared to 21 in July. Strategy Incorporated's MNAV premium crashed from 3.89x in November 2024 to 1.44x following IBIT ETF options launch. The bellwether firm's monthly Bitcoin purchases plummeted from 134,000 BTC to 3,700 BTC in August 2025, although it holds 640,250 BTC, with unrealized gains of over $24 billion. Buyback programs and warrant dilution create competing pressures. DeFi Development expanded its share repurchase program to $100 million in September, up from an initial authorization of $1 million. The board approved flexible buybacks under Rule 10b-18, with an initial $10 million threshold requiring management notification before proceeding. The company has raised $42 million since April to fund its Solana strategy through a $5 billion equity line of credit, with only 0.4% of the amount utilized. It recently closed a $125 million equity raise while simultaneously pursuing buybacks, creating competing pressures on share value. DeFi Development was founded by former Kraken employees and executes a strategy of buying and staking SOL and Solana-related tokens, including Dogwafat memecoin. The firm offers validator services for crypto exchange Kraken and participates in DeFi opportunities across Solana's ecosystem. As a result of these broader problems with digital asset treasuries, several treasury companies resorted to debt-funded buybacks. ETHZilla secured $80 million from Cumberland DRW for a $250 million buyback after its value fell 76% from August peaks. Empery Digital expanded its debt facility to $85 million, despite holding $476 million in Bitcoin, which exceeds its $378 million market cap, particularly for assets without yields, such as Bitcoin. VanEck has previously warned in June that companies approaching parity with their holdings risk erosion rather than capital formation, recommending that they pause share issuances if stocks trade below 0.95x NAV for 10 or more trading days. Just last month, Coinbase Research also warned that the Treasury sector is transitioning from guaranteed premiums to a player-versus-player competitive phase, where most participants face potential failure during adverse credit cycles. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. XRP price prediction. 5x ETF filing could supercharge gains. Are we about to see $100 XRP? XRP price prediction. $63 million whale dump hits Binance, but smart money is already buying the dip. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 17, 2025. Crypto sell-off deepens. Bitcoin below $109,000. Ethereum under $4,000. Depends sector sinks 7%. XRP price prediction. Ripple's new $1 billion deal could put XRP at the center of Fortune 500 payments. Bitcoin price prediction. After triangle breakdown, is a drop below $105K next. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 16, 2025. Crypto market remains in red. Bitcoin stuck below $112,000. Ethereum hovers near $4,000 as traders await fresh catalyst. 1 day ago, by Jai Pratap. Altcoin news. XRP slides on U.S. China tariff jitters. Traders eye $2 line. 1 day ago, by Hongji Feng. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? October 16, 2025. 1 day ago, by Seed Fadil Pazik. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 10 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 14 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.